Yeah, what's up? This video we talking about two side hustles students can start in 2015. Alright, so basically, um, let me see. Alright, basically, two side hustles. Alright. It would be the UL thing, alright, and it would be the NFA thing, and it would be motherfucking yeah. Alright, so two high hustles students can start. I mean, at this, like, to start, you would keep going to the point where it's like you grew to where what you did previously no longer is worth your time because you grew it to something more grown. That's the goal. But yeah. So for students to start, I would say um, this right here. Um, get a job on Indeed. I got a video on that. Get a corporation. Uh, Busy. Get DNB number. Nav. Get net 30 accounts. Really up to you. Get revolving accounts, and then get a POS. Do it on another LLC. Repeat the same thing. Or another corporation comes with an EIN bank. Get the DNB number for that corporation. Get the trade lines, NAV, JJ Go, Net 30s, build Net 30s, get fleet cards, keep using those, get store cards, keep using those, and then get Sam's Club, some credit unions, revolving lines, eBay, Chase, and American Express, and get a PayArc POS system, and then you can have one business support the other business. And you liquidated the credit cards, lines of credit for both. But I want supporting the other and the other supporting the other. And then bet on yourself and you get the business, you get investments. Or bro, like go your own business, bet on yourself. UL. UL is like um some fire websites for you to understand right here. Alright. Uh, this what you gotta understand right here. Uh, like it's some fire websites for you to understand. What you got credit liquidator, you can promote yourself, your great offering. Info marketing businesses. This guy here is a legend. He'll show you that. Like credit goes to him and all that. Look, like get this hyper systemization. Basically, it's a programs, digital products, selling info. You made more money selling info than they actually did, like having a huge business. Their huge business was really that selling info. That's what's going on with these hustles. You probably seen this online, so that's what it is. It's about like you being a person that can create equity in others, like consultant, advisor. You're great, Gucci. So boom. Once you get all that business credit, you get the POS, the merchant account. So once they ship you the articles of incorporation, the EIN, You want to have all the documents, delete everything, so you can take it to like your banker near you and tell them you want a merchant account. And then all that's probably like half a thousand around there, like 1,000 something. You're gonna end up with one of these machines for you to take payments on the go. And look, it's for restaurants, retail, e-commerce, professional services. So, yeah, you want a merchant account? Your bank can help you get one. You get one through here. Talking to them, it's the one you want. This is the exact one you want. Once you get it for one seat, the other love seat, you get the business credit cards. You can liquidate it. Like it's probably like 20,000, 50,000, 70,000. The credit cards, the lines of credit, and you could swipe it on the other POS, and then all the credit cards from this business, swipe it on the other one. So once you've done this, create it. Um, Look, you are solving as many problems as possible, which creates massive goodwill for your business. That's the main thing when you create a great offer. So you liquidated the credit cards. Now you could promote it and get new clients for your great offer. That's betting on yourself and your funnels. You're gonna have like a schedule once they book a call and you are selling them like, all right, so your goal is to get here, you're here. Why not stay where you are? So you have to make a change, right? I boom, 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 and then they just start doing it. You already have like an application when they book a call, how qualified they are. So you Gucci. They're coming to you basically because you took all that business credit and promoted your offer. That's the greatest hustle right now, I'm telling y'all. And it's the way you position the offering that it could be great. If you position it as you an investor looking for business to invest in, oh man, like Shark Tank, Dragon's Den, alright. So next thing you know, you end up giving like based on the valuation and all that, and like how automated they are, like you buying the whole thing if you really get to that part of doing that, bro. That's the best type of like highest level offering after whatever offering you had that people doing that they know like oh shit that they did. That's what's up. Alright. Um yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, create a personal brand, you gain organic traffic. Like what I'm doing right now. This is two side hustles. I probably explained like one, but it was fully everything put together. And then two is like create a personal brand. Like it's like your name and why people wanna do like you put a face to your name, bro, like a personal brand. I don't know how to explain it, bro, but like people don't just buy from the brand, they buy from the person more than from the brand because it's humans. So yeah, shit like that. Nah, this is for real though. Create a personal brand for those offerings. So yeah, you wanna be great. Um, like probably starter. I'm gonna throw in a couple more. Like nah, that was it. It was put together. It was put together. The business credit. Um, you have a great offering and a personal brand like YouTube channels and stuff like that. Like you creating a market demand. Like so whenever you go retarget, you already know who watched most of your videos. You already know who gave you their emails for you to retarget and create similar audiences to them. Organic just makes paid cheaper. And at the end of the day, you're just pushing yourself out there and promoting your offers more optimized. Like that's how you really like use this shit to your benefit. Like nobody wants to be famous and not gain nothing out of it. Like what's the point of that? That's how you do that shit. Alright? That's my like cards. Peace.